Hey everyone, my name is Jonathan, one of the product managers here at Reap. The purpose of this video is to show on an API level how PCI iframes work. This simple demonstration shows that a card issuer can embed an iframe with sensitive card information hosted on Reap, therefore not needing to store, process, or transmit this information. Instead, card issuers will receive an HTML that they can embed on their website directly, thereby exempting them from PCI certification. The path of the URL we are calling today is /reveal-html. In it, we pass the card ID here. We want to get the information for, and we get an HTML that is hosted by Reap. Going right to the demo, this is a simple illustration of a website a card issuer might want to host when a user requests this information. Typically, this is protected behind a password. And as you can see, I pasted the URL right into the source of the iframe, and I click run. As you can see, the iframe links right to the URL that is hosted on Reap, and therefore the card issuer doesn't need to store, process, or transmit any of this information, and yet the user is able to see this information when they log in to their web app. As an additional security measure, this URL expires within 60 seconds. So let me demonstrate that. As you can see, there is a missing or expired authorization because this URL expired outside that 60-second time window. And so you might ask, how do we actually, what are some other things we can do with this URL? One other thing we could do here is to customize the style of how it looks like on the website itself. So here I have linked to a CSS file that is hosted on a private repository here. So let me copy this URL. And so what I've done with this CSS styling file is simply to make the background red. So you can see that the background is red now. Obviously, there are an infinite number of styling options that you can apply to this, including font size, changing the fonts, etc. But this is just for illustrative purposes. Thank you for watching this demo.